Namaskar. Welcome to IRMI Online Resources. Let's discuss file naming system or FNS as per Central Secretariat Manual of Office Procedure. As per CSMOP, each section or desk will maintain an approved list. This approved list is reviewed every year. This will contain numbers for standard heads and standard subheads. These are unique and standard heads will bear consecutive serial numbers. No such numbers will be allocated to standard subheads. The subheads will have different numbers, probably 2 digit. As far as possible, there should be a separate file for each distinct aspect of the subject. The first three elements in the file number will be separated by one another by a slant stroke or slash, and last two by a dash. For example, the standard head bearing serial number 3 and that will be followed by a subhead serial number 1 of year 2008. These three elements will be separated by the section by a dash, which is SR. There are some variation to this. For example, in case of IRMI, the alphabetical code for primary head has been or standard head has been followed. As far as eOffice is concerned, the file naming system differs slightly. The basic spirit is still the same. However, the file numbers are divided in four parts, including of basic head, primary head, secondary head, tertiary head, and followed by file code. The basic head is the topmost organization name. It may be CTI or the name of the railway or the name of production unit. This can be having maximum 4 characters. The primary head following the basic head, primary head is the unit functioning under the top organization. It is represented by a maximum of another 4 alphabetical characters. IRMI is represented by IMEE. A division can be represented by, for example, Bhusawal division, BSL, or design office in ICF can be represented by DSGN. These are just examples, can vary from division to division and unit to unit. Secondary head, this is the section in autonomous unit. This also can be represented by maximum of 4 alphabetical characters. In case of IRMI, it could be general administration. In case of accounts department in Bhusawal division, it could be ACUT, or undergear section in the design office in ICF, it could be represented by 2 alphabets. Again, these are just examples and may vary from unit to unit. Tertiary head, this is the actual file in the section. Tertiary head is also encoded using maximum of 4 alphabets. For example, rolling stock program, that could be RSPP, or rolling stock action plan ARSP, or audit para by AUP, or Impress Store by ISTR. Again, these are just examples and vary from unit to unit. File codes are actual file numbers. These are automatically generated. One example is given here. These file codes are much longer than the ones which were being used as per the CSMOP. One such example is enumerated here. In case of some files in diesel loco shed, Jamalpur of Eastern Railway. The basic head here is Eastern Railway, represented by code ER. Primary head is diesel loco shed, represented by a code DSLJ. Secondary head is BGT, or the budget section. Tertiary head is the actual file code inside that section. Whether for budget it could be proposals and grants, or liability register, or monthly review. Now these all files once created will have a user accessibility. Different users who can use this file or refer to it or edit needs to be mapped inside the eOffice system. If you look for the file numbers for just first file, as per CSMOP, the file number could be as shown on the screen, and as per eOffice, same file would be numbered differently. Thank you for your time. For any clarification, email me.